My greetings to all those hearing me. May the blessings of grace and peace be with you today and every day. Every day is a good day. There is something to learn, care, and celebrate. So now, if I ask you, what comes in your mind the moment you hear word chemistry? What would you answer? I'm pretty sure you are going to imagine yourself standing in chemistry laboratory and holding some lab equipment. Is it not? But when I looked the world around me, I found chemistry forms a large part of our lives. Chemistry and chemical reactions are not just restricted to laboratories, but also to the world around us. First of all, I took motivation from Proton and learned to stay positive. For me, life is like a chemical reaction. It only requires balancing. Chemistry is not just limited to test tubes, but it is involved in our emotions, in our feelings of happy and sad, energetic and relaxed, are the result of chemical reactions occurring in our lives. Our problems are like experiments. Our actions are like chemicals. And the decision we make are either invention or destruction. Drawing your attention towards a very famous dialogue of chemistry, which we hear even in movies also. Chemistry between two people. Yes, it is really involved there. It is because chemical messengers released in the brain that we may fall in love and cry rivers due to heartbreak. Did you ever stop to think why we cry while cutting an onion? It is not because of the story between onion, tomato, and sugar as three friends. It is because of the acids released which are responsible for the production of tears. Just like the leaf becomes dull when any one of its necessities is missing, we as humans become dull if chemistry is missing from our lives. The colors of life are because of chemistry. So add more and more motivation, happiness to your life. Shake it well and let it get settled. Later you will find your sorrows are precipitating out of your life and colorful fumes of success are evolving from it. One of the basic things in chemistry, physical and chemical change, is also related to our morals. You want to know how? Chemical change, as we know, is irreversible. We cannot get back our reactants. Relating it to morals, what we say? Trust once broken cannot be the same again. Life is like chemistry. Dilute your sorrows, evaporate your worries, filter your mistakes, boil your ego, and you will find crystals of happiness. This is what is the description how I found chemistry apart from books in my own self and implemented in my life. Now it's your turn to sit and think how chemistry have touched you. With this I take you leave. Thank you.